Allora, ma che facciamo oggi?
Melonciana Cina.
A melonciana cina, which is stuffed eggplant. So, and this is what we need. We need an eggplant, onion, breadcrumbs, garlic, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, hamburger, some sauce, and salt and pepper. So in preparation for the eggplant, we're going to slice it. And we're going to do this with the whole eggplant, Mom, this way. Okay, so we're going to do it this way with the whole eggplant. Okay, so after we cut it, then we're going to steam it. Mom?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to steam it in the steamer. Okay, so now we've got the eggplant all nice and diced, and we're just going to be steaming it for a little bit. We'll let you know how long. Okay, so we've got the steamer ready. I'm just going to put all the eggplant chunks in that, and then cover it up. And how long do you think we have to steam it for, Mom?
About so it depends. I don't know. They're ready.
Okay, so we're going to steam them. We'll check on them and wait until they're soft to the touch. So now it's all steaming nicely. So you can see the difference where these ones, the ones on the bottom were cooked and so they're nice and soft, and the ones at the top still, need to be steamed a little more. See, here's the difference here. See? You can see one needs to be steamed and the rest are really nice and tender. So we'll just mix them up a little bit. Added a little more water so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Okay, so what do you think, Ma? Is it ready? It's ready? Yeah, see, they've all turned the same color now. Perfect.
Now
Now we're
we're going to strain it.
going to strain it. So now we're straining the eggplant. You can get all the extra water out of it. So by the time you strain it, there's not much there, eh, Ma?
No.
No.
The other stuff.
Now we'll mix it all together. So from that big eggplant, this is all we get. Now we're just slicing the onions and getting them ready to put in the eggplant hamburger mixture here. So now we're just going to be preparing the garlic to put into the mixture. Got the onions ready.
Yeah, I'm original, but then I was about time when I eat it myself. I don't have no room in the fridge.
Our son just called, wanted some apple turnovers, so we'll have to put that on YouTube next. Nana's apple turnovers. Okay, so now we have a garlic press.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I got.
So we added 2 more cups of breadcrumbs, so it's about 3 cups of breadcrumbs. And the garlic, we're just chopping it up nice and fine, and then we'll add it to the mixture. Okay, so we added the Italian seasoning. Now we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. And now we're going to put some eggs in there. A little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so now we've added the hamburger, and we're adding 3 eggs. And we're going to mix it all up. So it's more like an eggplant stuffing, as opposed to stuffed eggplant. It's very delicious. So we're going to put sauce on the bottom of a casserole dish first. Okay, so Nana's making them like a porchetta. Okay, so we made 6. Now we're going to top it with sauce and mozzarella cheese, and then put it in the oven for probably about 45 minutes. So Nana's adding a little bit of Parmesan on there too, plus the mozzarella. Okay, so now we've got the mozzarella on and the Parmesan, and we're going to put it in the oven for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Delicious. Ciao. Ciao, Ma.
Yeah, ciao.